Hello everyone, so welcome to the video. So yeah, this is my first video. Basically I'm usually make a short contents. What I'm gonna do in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make a pretty cool website that have a great animation. So this is based from what I did for this 1 month. So yeah, so here's how I create my project basically. Yeah, so let's get into the tutorial and hopefully you guys enjoy my video. Sorry if I kind of feel really tired in this video. Yeah, so let's get into the video. So today I will teach you how to make a website that looks kind of like this. Alright, so first thing first, you need to set up the your usual prompt that you need to do before you create the next project. So for creating a next project, you need to type something like this. Wait, I will redirect myself into the document first. So probably like this: npx create next app and add latest, just like this. And the next, not the next, it's the node.js will do something like this. So you can see like that, and you can give whatever you wanna name this project. For this tutorial, I will just show you as SMP mobile, but I actually already have a repository, so if you want to see it, I will put it in the description down below. So yeah, I will do this first. I will not use the source directory, it's up to you, by the way. No, okay, just wait for this done. Okay, I think I already finished it, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, I already finished it. And just go to the directory and open my Visual Studio Code, and then yeah, and then there you go, that's your app. As usual, I will just remove this apparently. Yeah, well, I will remove this instead. So first thing first, what I'm going to show you is the hero section. Well, that's really obvious, right? I will show you how to create this kind of stuff, you know, parallax things. Okay, first thing first, what I'm going to do is making a component. You can just do this, making component outside the app folder, and then create whatever you want, button stuffs like that. So let's make some hero here, my hero file, and then you can just do this shortcut things to make a component. So yeah, right here I can use some class names. Like for the background, I use some customs background. As you can see, I have this, like you can just see it in my source code if you want to copy paste on it. And then you can just with full, you can just make some other div again, you know, and something like that. But the thing, you want to install framermotion for the animation library. So npm install, well, I can't use it on the PowerShell, so I'll move to the git bash. So let's do npm install framermotion, just simple like that. So yeah, class name, you can just go with class name. We'll do a hex item center there's a shortcut if you want. Oh, like ICGC, that's kind of obvious, you know. Like padding 64, PT 32, and then yeah, let's do this. Let's do the motion. Okay, so thing about framermotion, I don't know why. If you want to use the motion component, you must import it manually. You cannot just auto import it by but what I'm doing earlier, you know, something like that. From framermotion, yeah, here it is, and then we're back into this one, and then do this motion diff. So it's basically, if you want to use animation from framermotion library, you need to include the motion and the first before the component names, such as like div, paragraph. So next thing, what I'm going to do, I don't have any images, so probably I'm going to change it by using some paragraph. Probably paragraph is fine, yeah. Let's do some paragraphs, and then we just want to do the hello world, I guess. Hello world. Hello world. And then you can just style it for the class name. For the motion diff, you want to style it with absolute, probably absolute, and then you want to copy paste this. So the style is kind of different because you want the second text below the first text, right? So in order to do that, we can just make the second paragraph without any class name, just like that. So here's how it goes if you want to style the animation. You can just import the use ref from React. Here, let me show you immediately. Like, you can just make it container and then use ref, and then you want to start it from null. And then if you want to use a custom hook that React made, you must do this in the upper line. So basically, nextjs, like by default, they're using a server-side rendering instead using client-side rendering. So in order to use the custom hook, you must make this component at least to be a client component. And then let's do the next step. We can just call another custom hooks. It comes from framermotion library, which is use scroll. You can just do it like this. You can just customize the use scroll. But before that, we must call the scroll by progress. So basically, scroll by progress, it means this component will detect how much scroll progress towards to the y axis. So basically, this is the number of the y axis. Yeah, simple as that. Okay, for the customization, I will customize the target. So the target, what I'm going to put is this component that we already made. So by doing this, we basically in the future, we gonna use this component and put it into where is the animation gonna start or refer. This variable will reference into a specific component that we're gonna put it, you know, such as if you want to put it in this this component in this div. What I meant, you can just use ref and then put the container variable, and then yeah, it's automatically reference into that component. The variable will reference into that specific component. Okay, so we're gonna continue this target. So the target is basically container, and then we're gonna use the offset. So this is the template position that framermotion already did. There's a lot of them, as you can see. All I know is basically the start is in this top, the top of this thing. What I mean is like the top height. Here, let me show you. Like it's basically it goes up like this. This is the top, and then the end is basically here, so it will detect something like that. But that's it for now, because I'm still confused to how to explain the thing. Okay, so next thing, you want to make a constant again. So I will not do the same name like that. Instead, I'm going to use it like for the upper and the lower, something like this, lower. Both of them gonna use the same hook, which is use transform. As you can see, it came from framermotion again. So basically this is where the animation begins, you know. This is where you want to modify the animation, everything. So you want to input the scroll by progress. So this is 0 to 1. So basically this is the range, you know. The range is basically only have to value between 0 and 1, and then the last bracket is basically where you want to move it. So at least for me, what I'm going to use now is 0. 0, it means like start, it's going to end at 0. Not I still don't get it. So basically this bracket and this bracket is basically this is the thing, you know. This is the offsets. But I'm still confused about that, you know. So you want to move it like minus 800 into the y-axis. So it's basically go up, because the positive, I don't, it's push up, something like, I can't even tell if well, I'm going to demonstrate it like in a minute, you know. I will make it like lower. I'm not gonna do it with 800, it's just too big. Okay, next we can make it for the lower text also. So scroll y progress, and then 0 to 1 for the value. Oh, oops, mistakes. And then you want to put 0 to 350, which is, it's the opposite way, you know. Here, let me show you. So I will put this style into y. Okay, so we're modifying the y position for this component. It's basically like that. For the y component, for this word, well, goes with the upper variable. So yeah, simple as that, you know. You're gonna see it in a couple of minutes. And then for this, we're gonna make the y goes with the lower one. Okay, lower. So we're gonna style it like for the text again, white, and then with 50 opacity. And then for this one, just gonna do text white, and then probably the text sizes I'll make it so big, which is really big, for about 32 RAM. And then yeah, something like this, and then I think that should be it, I guess. So yeah, okay, let's see how it goes. Apparently, wait, I think I need to wrap it with a div so it doesn't flex out, I guess. Yeah, something like this. And then next is disable this thing, and you can just do import the hero, and then let's run the app, npm run dev, and then yeah, let's go to the localhost 3000, and let's see. I think my should be, yeah. Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, probably I'm gonna modify the hero. So probably I'm just gonna do this hello world. Well, the W gonna be big. Yeah, something like this. That's the animation. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give me some likes, or you can comment down below if you're confused from what I'm saying earlier, you know. And then yeah, also you can just subscribe this channel if you want to see me more making this content. For the disclaimer, I'm sorry if my English is still kinda not good because I'm not a native. I'm Indonesian, by the way. So basically in my country the people doesn't use English as their main language, so yeah, sorry for my English if it's really bad, or the pace kinda slow. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video. Bye bye.